Hi everyone, welcome to this data annotation course. I'm your instructor, and today we're diving into the first part of the material. Hope you're ready, let's get started.
This chapter focuses on data labeling concepts, tools, and methods. First, we'll explore the concept of data labeling and its significance for the development of artificial intelligence. It's part of the Artificial Intelligence Technology Application Core Course Series textbooks. We'll also cover data labeling tools and platforms, data annotation objects, typical data labeling technologies, data labeling engineering, as well as a chapter summary, and homework and exercises. When it comes to common voice data annotation tools, there are single, paragraph, and multi-paragraph voice data annotation. For single, paragraph voice annotation, after listening to the audio data, the annotator has to judge its validity, the speaker's speech content, and the surrounding environment. Then, fill in the corresponding information in the text input box below the audio. The main annotation functions of the image annotation tool include keypoint annotation, 2D annotation frame annotation, 3D annotation frame annotation, line annotation, area annotation, and image attribute annotation. Moving on to image data annotation tools. These tools are versatile and perform several key annotation functions. The main ones include keypoint annotation, marking specific points on an image, 2D bounding box annotation, drawing 2D rectangles around objects, 3D bounding box annotation, creating 3D frames for depth perception, line annotation, marking lines, like edges, area annotation, outlining entire regions, and image attribute annotation, tagging attributes like color or texture. These functions collectively help AI models understand visual content in images. Video annotation tools generally consist of video general function annotation tools and object tracking annotation tools. Video general function annotation tools have features like point activated by Shift+A, line, Shift+S, rectangle, Shift+D, polygon, Shift+F, and support shortcut key selection. The delete key can be used to remove annotation graphics, or you can click the attribute name below to delete. The object tracking and labeling tool allows the labeler to mark vehicles and pedestrians by dragging the mouse to draw a frame and inputting the object number. During this process, the user can control the video playback progress using buttons like replay, previous frame, next frame, previous 10 frames, next 10 frames, or by directly dragging the progress bar. Common text data annotation tools mainly include entity annotation, entity relationship annotation, document attribute annotation, reading comprehension, and interaction intent. Text syntax tree labeling requires labelers to conduct word segmentation, part of speech labeling, phrase structure labeling, dependency labeling, and other deeper processing on the text to meet different levels of natural language processing requirements. Text attribute labeling enables labelers to compare two text data or label the text content according to a provided category template. For example, select the subject, predicate, and object in a sentence. At the top of the page, there's a line of text. The annotator reads it to determine the subject, time, and place of occurrence, and then fills in relevant information in the text box below. 3D point cloud labeling is about marking out target objects like vehicles, pedestrians, advertising signs, and trees in 3D images collected by laser radar and other equipment using a 3D labeling frame. This is used for artificial intelligence model training in areas such as computer vision and driverless driving.